What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic updates, in which we will talk about everything you need to know today specifically, but also for the upcoming weeks about Luna Classic. So we'll talk about the technicals. I'm actually quite bullish on Luna Classic, which might be weird to say after that we've been in a downtrend for almost 2 months. But I'm quite bullish for multiple reasons, at least on the semi-short term, for the next 2 weeks or something. For multiple reasons, but we'll get into it. First of all, let's check out Luna Classic. I think volume is dropping, but it's a Sunday. Volume is pretty low. I mean, we have to be honest about that. Oh wow, the old Luna levels. Yeah, that was crazy. But also over the last 3 months, I mean, we haven't seen this volume in ever since we had that huge uptrend. So that's quite bearish, but it also has some positivity, because if there's no volume, also means that you cannot drop that much, all right? And there are some positive fundamentals coming up soon. So that's why I'm relatively bullish on Luna Classic. See, the burns have dropped down, obviously, because the volume is historically low right now. Yeah, actually historically, also like over the entire existence of TERRA, Luna, and Luna Classic, this is actually historically low. It's really low at 70 million. But that's throughout the entire market, and that's caused by still all of the bearish fundamentals we have had over the last month, last weeks, and the fear caused by that. And apart from that, it's a Sunday. Sundays are always more quiet. But if we then take a look at Luna Classic, you can see that we're quite comfortable around 17,000. You can see that I expect us to still drop down to 16,000, still drop down to 15,000. But even though I'm expecting that, because in the end we are in a downtrend, so we might actually have some spikes like here or here, but in the end I think we're dropping down to 16,000 and 15,000, just because the momentum and hype is dying down further and further, right? Because the entire hype was around burning. There are no new proposals. It doesn't look like the ecosystem of Luna Classic is growing that much. But something strong fundamental and something strongly bullish coming up beginning of December, so in about 10 days, a little bit more, is the Binance burn, a big Binance burn. It's probably going to be around, the potential is getting lower and lower with this volume, because the fees obviously are less than, but I do think that we can get around like between 10 and 15 billion Luna Classic burned, because the volume of Luna Classic was quite high. So I am expecting bullish momentum because of that, and I'm getting more confident that we can stay on top of 16,000 and 15,000 before that bullish momentum kicks in. So I'll be looking at some entries for Luna Classic. Make sure to join the Discord if you want to know more about that. But it's not going to be an uptrend, I think, but it's going to be some short-term bullish momentum. I think it's too early right now to say where that could go to, but like from 15,000, that could actually be a move up to like 20,000. So it could be like a 33% move. That would be a little bit less probably. But yeah, so that's actually something I'm looking forward to, and therefore I think Luna Classic is actually one of the most attractive cryptos fundamentally to actually take a look at and look at some trades for the short term. But as I said, more about that later. I cover Luna Classic still almost daily. So more about that later, either in videos or in the Discord. So for now, I want to wish you all a great Sunday. Thank you all for watching and listening, and take care. Bye.